and I'm including desperate to get in the car here. But if not, so friends will not be able to know with afternoon atmosphere. Afternoon is the time the market is operating, my friends. Well, now we've been called by the parking lot when exiting the main road, yes. Well, so this to the right to the horse squeak. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam. Happy morning and best wishes to all of us. We're trying to get into market location. Yeah. We want to see the atmosphere inside Alianyang fish market, or rather the afternoon market. Or exactly the bypass market, fish market. I'm sorry if the sunlight covers or backlights. Yeah, hello sister. Yeah, it is quite crowded in this area, my friends. And I'm including desperate to get in the car here. But if not, so friends will not be able to know with afternoon atmosphere in Singkawang City or Amoy City or tolerated city. If you want to buy fish or want to shop to cook in the afternoon, shopping in the market here in the more complete, yes, in the afternoon, yes, because of the operation of the market here starting in the afternoon, friends. Yes, so indeed afternoon is the time the market is operating, my friends. Well, now we've been called by the parking lot, but we didn't park mangya. We're just walking. Well, keep the market here. Ya penetrate main terminal complex. Yeah, friends. Yeah. Well, guys can see here we is now in Terminal Induk. Well, but we're gonna take a left. We're going to the road main terminal that penetrates later to the area river or Kawina. Well, this terminal holds many memories, including people long in Singkawang. Yeah, definitely. I mean, old people from the past in Singkawang. Certainly a lot of memories here. Of course, if it used to be here, a lot of places often used as event venues or show places.
Yeah.
Like an exhibition kayak. Can continue the race. Various kinds of activities of the Singkawang community used to be, which was carried out in Indo Terminal. Well, it's rare for friends now because There are many other places where the event is located. Well, now we're gonna turn right. Yes, because it does turn right. Yes. This is our front office. Singkawang City Nexus. Now we are in the area Sungaiwi, yeah, friends, yeah, Sungaiwi area. So this is a connecting road or a shaft road that connects main access from the direction of Sambas leading to Pontiac City or out of Singkawang City, or friends who are from Sambas or who from Pontianak want to Sambas, from Sambas want to Pontiac, who don't want to go through Singkawang City can go directly through here, straight through to when exiting the main road. Yes. Well, so this area indeed, there's still a lot of land, empty or open land, yes, not as dense as like other areas. There are a lot of housing complexes here. If our right is beautiful Koina housing, yes, beautiful Koina. There continues to be a great sustainable 1, 2, and 3, and many other housing estates. If friends, of course, those who have lived in this area, please comment. Don't be shy and don't hesitate. But don't forget, who haven't subscribed to Reza Singkawang's YouTube channel, subscribe immediately. Subscribe is free and bring good. This is a new restaurant, my friends. Gorillas Restaurant. Yeah, Gorillas Restaurant. We'll try to stop by there later. Well, guys, so this road, so the main street, the main road of the Singkawang people who want to in and out of Singkawang City. Well, you can see a lot of vehicles that passing by in this area, yeah. Later we go out on this, guys, in Sungaiwi intersection. Yeah, intersection Sungaiwi. Sir, synergy. We give way. Apparently, the car behind did not dare to go ahead. Well, if friends used to live in I used to live here or ever through this road, please comment. Don't forget to share, like, and drop a comment. Hi, well, if we go straight, we will go to the street 100 and it's heading towards Samba. But we turn right on our friends. Turn to the right to the Horse Queen Street as well. But we're going back to the river and we're going to first store SPB, yes. Okay, let's cross first because the vehicles here are quite crowded, once friends. Well, so if afternoon Singkawang is crowded, my friends, yes, if the afternoon Singkawang is crowded, and many residents who are doing activities outside, of course, who are shopping, or maybe it's setting up. Everything to welcome the coming of the night. Well, soon we're gonna get to the Pertamina SPBU Sungaiwi. We're gonna fill up with gas. And then later we will continue in the next content. Thank you guys for watching. They always support the channel. YouTube, Reza Singkawang. Reza wishes the best, of course. Good luck and good health. Always. And may it always be given an abundance of grace, sustenance, and happiness. Amin. Ya Rabbal Alamin. And for those who haven't supported, that I haven't subscribed, immediately subscribe. Okay, see you in the next content. End of the word. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.